El Nido, Palawan, a name that conjures images of pristine beaches, crystal-clear waters, and lush landscapes, a name whispered amongst travelers seeking the world's most idyllic destinations. It's a place where dreams of paradise come to life, where every corner holds a new wonder waiting to be discovered. And within this collection of natural wonders lies Helicopter Island, a place that surpasses even the most vivid imagination. Its beauty is not just seen but felt, resonating deep within the soul. As our boat drew closer, its iconic silhouette emerged from the horizon. The anticipation grew with each passing wave, the island's form becoming clearer and more defined. A verdant plateau rising from the turquoise waters, its resemblance to a helicopter, unmistakable. The island's unique shape is a beacon, guiding adventurers to its shores. Excitement rippled through me, mingled with awe at the beauty that lay before us. The island promised not just a visual feast but an experience that would touch all our senses. This was more than just an island. It was a vision of paradise, beckoning us to explore its secrets. Every rock, every tree seemed to whisper tales of ancient times and hidden treasures. The anticipation was palpable as we approached the shore. The closer we got, the more the island's details came into focus, each one more enchanting than the last. The scent of salt air mingled with the sweet fragrance of tropical flowers, a sensory symphony unique to this corner of the world. It was a heady mix that made the experience even more immersive. The water, a tapestry of blues and greens, shifted playfully around the boat, its clarity revealing glimpses of the vibrant coral reefs below. The underwater world was just as inviting as the island itself, teeming with life and color. Helicopter Island was a feast for the senses, and we were eager to delve into its embrace. The island seemed to pulse with a life of its own, inviting us to become a part of its story. As we disembarked onto the soft white sand, the reality of our adventure sunk in. This was not just a destination, it was a journey into the heart of nature's splendor. This wasn't just a picture in a travel magazine, it was a living, breathing ecosystem, pulsing with life and radiating an energy that was both calming and exhilarating. Every step we took was a step deeper into the island's embrace. The promise of hidden coves, pristine beaches, and unforgettable experiences hung in the air, urging us to shed our worries and embrace the island's magic. The sun began to set, casting a golden glow over the landscape, and we knew that this was just the beginning of our adventure on Helicopter Island. The journey to Helicopter Island is an adventure in itself, a voyage that promises not just a destination, but an experience that lingers in the heart and mind. We boarded a traditional Filipino bangka boat, a vessel as iconic to the Philippines as the islands themselves. These boats, with their unique design and vibrant colors, are a symbol of the rich maritime culture of the archipelago. These outrigger canoes, with their distinctive bamboo outriggers, have been navigating these waters for centuries, carrying fishermen, families, and now, eager travelers like us. The craftsmanship involved in building these boats is a testament to the ingenuity and resourcefulness of the Filipino people. The gentle rocking of the boat as we left the shore was both soothing and invigorating. It felt as if the boat was in sync with the heartbeat of the ocean, creating a sense of harmony and peace. The sun, already warm on our skin, painted the sky in hues of orange and pink, reflecting off the water in shimmering streaks of gold. It was a breathtaking sight, one that made us feel grateful for the beauty of nature. The air was alive with the sounds of the sea, the gentle lapping of water against the hull, the cries of seabirds overhead, and the excited chatter of fellow adventurers. Each sound added to the symphony of the sea, creating a soundtrack that was both calming and exhilarating.
As we cruised through the archipelago, we were treated to a panorama of breathtaking scenery. The view from the boat was like a moving postcard, each frame more beautiful than the last. Towering limestone cliffs, draped in emerald green foliage, rose majestically from the water, their jagged peaks piercing the sky. These natural formations stood as silent sentinels, guarding the secrets of the islands. Hidden lagoons, their entrances guarded by secret passages, beckoned us to explore their hidden depths. These secluded spots were like nature's own treasure chests, waiting to be discovered by those willing to venture off the beaten path. Each turn revealed a new vista, more stunning than the last, a testament to the raw beauty of this untouched paradise. The landscape seemed to change with every passing moment, offering a new perspective and a deeper appreciation for the natural world. The journey to Helicopter Island was more than just a means of transportation. It was a cultural immersion, a sensory delight, and a reminder of the simple joys of travel. It was an opportunity to connect with the local culture and traditions, to learn from the people who call these islands home. It was a chance to disconnect from the hustle and bustle of everyday life and reconnect with the natural world, to feel the rhythm of the sea and breathe the fresh, salty air. The journey allowed us to slow down, to appreciate the present moment, and to find peace in the simplicity of life on the water. It was a prelude to the adventures that awaited us on the island, a promise of unforgettable experiences yet to come. The anticipation of what lay ahead added an extra layer of excitement to the journey, making every moment on the boat a cherished memory in the making.